CK, Kunal highlighted Jindal Steel, and even you are quite optimistic, and interestingly, it's a positional trade for you.
Well, I think, there are two reasons for taking it as a positional play. A, Jindal Steel tends to move in fits and jerks. And B, it moves whenever there is some sort of a news flow. And that kind of news flow is not very consistent in the sense that it is flowing day to day. So it's perhaps slightly better, in my opinion, that one plays Jindal Steel across multiple days rather than as a single day trade. Now, there are certain triggers in the air right now. Jindal Steel should probably be a beneficiary of the rise in pellet prices, which are driving several stocks up now. And the strong rupee will also be in favor because they are a big player in these export areas within pellets. So, and if you see it on the charts, it's just coming up for a breakout to the top side over a resistance line overhead on the weekly chart. So collectively, I think the momentum, the news flow, etc., will combine to produce that upside breakout. But we may have to wait for a couple of days for that to happen and then for the move to unfold. Hence, a positional play at the current prices, 224 in the price range, 220, 225, looking for a target at about 240 to 250 eventually.
Okay. Consensus call over there. Kunal and CK both are bullish on Jindal Steel, and why not? Stock has done pretty well for itself. Kunal, Godfrey Phillip, one of your favorite stock is back in your recommendation list, and why not? ITC and this name are doing pretty well for themselves.
So yes, Siddharth, the price patterns have been very encouraging for Godfrey Phillips as well. There was a couple of days of mild correction, but the correction did not last below its 200 moving average. In fact, on Wednesday as well, we saw a very good comeback from the stock price. Volumes have been pretty much strong for the stock in this last 1.5 or 2 weeks of price up move. So I believe that this could be a good start for a decent uptrend for the stock, and I believe at current levels it could be ripe for maybe another 5 to 6% rally from a very immediate term. 1,000 is the target which I'm recommending on Godfrey Phillips, a buy with stop loss at 925.
Jay, you continue to remain bullish on pharma space and Aurobindo Pharma. What a fabulous rally from 560 to 820, and last 3 trading sessions, though it has been a bit soft. But do you think it's a buying opportunity for people who have missed out?
Absolutely, Siddharth. Now this is another stock which just provided a breakout, and I would say the kind of a breakout which we have seen coming in this stock, in fact, has really taken off all its previous crucial resistances. I would say on the daily chart. On the weekly chart, if you see, Siddharth, this stock has clearly provided a breakout from a downtrend line resistance, and that shows that the entire consolidation or the entire correction of the stock has gotten over with this. The indicators are well into the buy mode. It's just that with the market, the stock prices did correct, but then now I think it has again reached to that kind of a risk reward, wherein I think one should definitely enter into the long positions. I think one can buy Auro Pharma. The short-term target for the same comes to around 805, and the stop loss will be 755. And adding to that, so that I would say that we know the history of this stock, that whenever it comes into the uptrend, it generally provides that kind of a unidirectional move. So Auro Pharma by nature is that kind of a stock. Hence, I think any dip should be utilized as a buying opportunity.
All right, thanks very much, Jeff, for joining in with your technical take.